Hi Reasoners, this is Mikhail from ReasonY. Today we have the MP blocker here and we are going to make a short review. The MP blocker is made from a carbon fiber. The main board is from a carbon fiber, just like the Pro hockey stick. Same thing with the side plate, it's from a carbon fiber. And also the palm plate is from carbon fiber. The carbon fiber construction is light. It doesn't change the shape over time, and you can also change the color, as you can see here and here. Some goalies say that the carbon fiber blocker is loud when you make the save. We call it the sound of save. When you're okay with the sound when the ball hits the backboard or when somebody is taking a slap shot, you should be totally fine. Thanks to the carbon fiber construction, you can change the color of the blocker. Here you have the plain carbon fiber, and here you can see the foil. You can just peel it off and you can put a different sticker there or different type of foil, different color. You can mix it up. It's all up to you and it's up to your imagination. Thanks to the modular construction, you can also change the palm at home. You don't have to ship it out to somebody to fix it. The palm sits right on this plate, and only thing what you have to do is just release it. The blocker comes to you in a factory setting, but you can always shift the palm plate forward or back, and you can also raise it up or down. You can change the finger guards and you can also change the thumb guard. Plus, you can adjust the angle of the thumb guard according to your needs so it fits your stick and your grip. At the front of the blocker, we attach the PE 1000 4mm sliders. It is the same material that we use for our super sliders on the ReasonY pads. We tilted the palm of the blocker so when you grip the stick, it is a little bit angled. When the ball hits the blocker, it goes right in the corner. The side plate is separate, so if anything happens to it, you can just order a new one and replace it at home. We hope you are going to hear the sound of save many times, and for more information, just go to the ReasonYHockey.com website.